Happy morning, friends, and congratulations to my students. My students wrote NEET examination yesterday. I think most of the students did well in the NEET examination. But my dear students, please remember, forget about the result at present. So whatever you have done it. And wait for the results. If you have done in an extraordinary way, congratulations, well and good. You will definitely get an admission in MBBS. Fine. But there are few students who may not have scored well, who may not have written examination well. And they are feeling fear of failure and doubt of success. Doesn't matter if you don't get what you want in your life at this moment. There is an every opportunity to get what you want in your life. And one failure doesn't mean that you may not get success in future. Actually, failure means it is first attempt in learning. Fail means first attempt in learning. You have studied 2-year intermediate course, you have appeared for the NEET. Fine if you get it. If you don't get it, still there is an opportunity. You can again try to write the NEET examination again, to score better rank, to get an admission in MBBS, doesn't matter. So, take fail as a first attempt in learning. Failure, that is end, failure. End means effort never dies. Failure. End means effort never dies. Fail means first attempt in learning. So first attempt in learning, end means effort never dies. So you have tried your level best, you have worked hard, somehow you did not write the exam well, somehow you may not get the good rank, but take it in a positive way. Yes, I have taken this as a first attempt in learning process. I have put all my efforts. Those efforts will never die. I'll try once again. I'll try one more year. So, I'll definitely get it. Whatever efforts I have put, they will never die. So, take it in that sense. But don't get depressed. Don't get disappointed. A failure is a part of life. Life is a battle where you'll have to face a lot of successes and failures. If you get one failure, that doesn't mean life is ended here. There are so many failures in anybody's life. You are not the first person, you are not the last person. Of course, when you fail, naturally you get disappointed, you get most unsatisfied. So that doesn't matter. So look at the history. Do you know that the great Albert Einstein failed in Latin language in school examination? He did not end his life. He did not stop his education career at that school age. Do you know that Thomas Alva Edison was sent out of the school informing to his mother, your child was not able to receive what a teacher was teaching in a classroom, take him away. What happened in the history? Look at the inventions of the Thomas Alva Edison. Today we are looking at the light because of him only. He invented which metal was useful as a filament in that bulb. Look at that. Coming to our country, do you know Rajanikanth worked as a conductor? Today, what is he? So, do you know that Dhirubhai Ambani, at the age of 16, he went to Yemen, where he worked as a boy in a petrol bunk, later clerk, and came back to India, started a business with Champalal, and Champalal left the business. Today, Reliance, today they are the creators of the wealth. They are one of the richest people in the world. But he started his career as a clerk. Look at Dhirubhai Ambani. And so what about our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji? He started his career as a tea seller. But today, what is he? So, one failure doesn't mean that is the end of life. One failure doesn't mean you are not fit for anything. One failure doesn't mean that you are not useful to anybody. See, failures are the part of life. So, take that failure as a lesson. Again, you try. You will get it. So, as I told you, failure as a first attempt in learning, and your efforts never die. Take that as an acronym. So, again, keep a goal. That is to take coaching or to work hard at home and to write the examination again in 2021, NEET examination, and to score maximum marks so that to get the better rank, so that to get admission in MBBS. That should be your goal. Have confidence. Yes. In this examination, to somehow I failed. Doesn't matter. I am not inferior to anybody. I am equally competent what I want in my life. If you dream it, you can. That's what Infosys founder Narayan Murthy ji used to tell. Doesn't matter. So don't regret your past. Just learn from it. So that what Rajanikanth ji used to tell. And look at Indra Nooyi. So she worked as a receptionist to buy a saree for attending an interview. Later, she became the CEO of multinational company PepsiCo. So, my dear young students, doesn't matter if you fail. Don't take it in a serious way. Learn lessons from your failure. Keep the goal again, that is getting a better rank in 2021. Have that confidence. Think positively. Have the plan. Execute it. Work hard. You will get better rank in 2021 and you will get an admission in MBBS and you will become the doctor. Doesn't matter. But you are unique person. If you don't get good rank in this examination, doesn't mean you are not useful to anybody. Doesn't mean you are incompetent. Doesn't mean you are always a man of failure. Always feel, this is a lesson I have learned. I can work hard again. I can get what I want in my life. Think on those lines. And so human life is so valuable. So remember that point. So there are so many people in this world who wanted to become doctor but did not become doctors. But today they are getting more reputation more earnings than so many doctors. So if you don't get an admission in MBBS, doesn't mean that life is waste. So please remember, and you have intelligence, you can keep things in proper way. You have that ability, and keep your emotions under control. Eliminate a feeling of fear, a feeling of depression. Erase out stress, erase out disappointment, erase out any negative feelings, erase out any feeling that makes you disappointed, that makes you to think in an extreme way. Eliminate those thoughts. Think positively. And out of 100 years of life, 1 year is not a great thing. If you waste 1 year, it doesn't mean that is a great loss in your life. But losing your life is the greatest loss to your parents. Human life is so valuable. To your close kith and kin, don't go to the extreme step. Failures are the part of life. There is nobody in this world who got success right away without a failure. So I told you many examples like Thomas Alva Edison, Albert Einstein, and Bill Gates, and Disney, Walter Disney. So there are so many people. And so please remember, if you have done your examination very well, congratulations. If you have not done it, doesn't matter. Don't worry. Don't get stressed. Don't get disappointed. Still you have an opportunity to work hard to score maximum marks in 2021 NEET examination to get admission in MBBS. Be happy. And this is my appeal to all my students. Be happy always. You are born to be happy only. You are born to get success only. You are born to win only. During this process, sometimes if you lose, don't matter. Don't think. Ultimately, you are going to win it. Remember that you are born to win. You are born to get success. You are born to be happy. Be happy. All the best. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar. God bless you.